Hello, friends. Very good morning to all of you who are connected right now. In this segment, in this video, I will try to explain the new term, new element that is helium here. As you know, in a periodic table, helium consists two position. Atomic number of helium is 2. So, this is the electronic configuration of helium. Helium consists electron, 2 proton, and 2 neutron. So, look at it. Helium electronic configuration of helium you can see here. So beside that helium के बारे में हमें और भी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी. So many things we will know about helium. That is, this is overview, segment number 2. Properties, segment number 3. Oxidation state, atomic properties, reactivity, electromagnetic properties, as well as prevalence. So let's see, let's try to understand more about of element that is helium. Helium is a noble gas. Helium is a noble gas. So पता होना चाहिए helium noble gas है. So और भी देखते हैं. About 20% of visible matter in this universe is helium. Helium 20% of visible matter. जितना भी हम आसपास देख रहे हैं matter, matter means solid, liquid and gases. Basically matter थ्री कैटेगरी में होता है. सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैसेस. जो भी हम आसपास देख रहे हैं दे आर कंसिस्टिंग helium 20%. But because it is so light and does not react chemically with anything, बहुत हल्की होने के कारण हीलियम एलिमेंट जो है वो केमिकली किसी दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ रिएक्ट नहीं करता है. एंड इट एस्केप्ड फ्रॉम अर्थ इनटू स्पेस. और ये अर्थ से स्पेस की तरफ एस्केप हो गया था, चला गया है. सो सो नाउ इट इज़ क्वाइट रेयर हेयर. अर्थ के अंदर हीलियम की जो परसेंटेज है वो बहुत कम है. नॉनदलेस इट हैज़ मल्टीपल एप्लीकेशन. इसके अलावा इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि इसकी एप्लीकेशन पार्ट नहीं है. एप्लीकेशन बहुत ज़्यादा है हीलियम का. लाइक बैलून फिल किए जाते हैं, उसमें एयर जो होती है उसको अगर फ्लाई करना है तो उसके लिए हमें हीलियम की रिक्वायरमेंट रहती है. फ्रॉम मेकिंग बैलून फ्लाई टू कूलिंग थिंग्स टू एक्सट्रीमली लो टेम्परेचर विद लिक्विड हीलियम. लिक्विड हीलियम से बहुत कम टेम्परेचर मेंटेन किया जा सकता है अगर किसी भी चीज़ को आप कूल करना चाहते हो, ठंडा रखना चाहते हो. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी मस्ट हैव टू kept in our mind. So beside that, this is the picture of helium gas, that is noble gas, you know. So proceed towards overview here. The Latin name, there is no Latin name of helium. Atomic number, as you know, 2 is here. Atomic symbol of helium is He, capital H and small e, helium. Atomic number of helium is He. Atomic mass 4.003. Atomic mass of helium. Group in a periodic table, 18th group, 18 group, first element, 18 group, first element, period number first, 1. So year of discovery 1895. 1895 is the year when helium is discovered. CAS number, chemical abstract service number is CAS 7440-59-7. Who discovered helium? Sir William Ramsay in London, and independently by Per Theodor Clave and Nils Abraham Langlet in Uppsala, Sweden. ये डिस्कवर किया गया था लंदन और स्वीडन में. These are the properties. Properties of helium are here. Density 0.001785. This is the density. You can see melting point of helium is minus 272 degrees Celsius, that are converted into Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale too. You can see this is the boiling point, minus 269 degrees Celsius. And phase of the helium element means to say helium is found in gaseous state of state of matter is gas. Helium is noble gas, as you know. Valency, there is no valency, zero valency of helium, because it has no sense of reactivity. So block, s block element, s block, p block, d and f, four blocks are there in a periodic table. So it is considered in s block element. So this is the oxidation state, means to say in these picture there is, you can see there is no oxidation state, means zero oxidation state due to very less reactivity of helium, or you can say there is no reactivity of helium. So beside that, atomic properties of heliums are in your screen. So number one is ion charge, uh, no ion charge, dash means no ion charge. So ionization potential of an atom 24.59. So next one is atomic radius 31, covalent radius 32, van der Waals radius for helium 120 sorry. Another property of helium is reactivity. So as you know, it is considered as a noble gas segment. So it means there is no reactivity, so no electron activity. Dash means no electron activity, as well as electron affinity is 0 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so next property is electromagnetic properties of for helium. So electrical conductivity in this segment, first one is electrical conductivity, not available, data is not available. Electrical type not available. So magnetic type, this is showing the property of a magnetic property, that is diamagnetic properties. Okay, next one is volume magnetic susceptibility, minus 1.05 into 10 raised to power minus 9. Mass magnetic susceptibility, you can see minus 5.9 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter cube per kilogram. Molar magnetic susceptibility is here for helium, minus 2.36 into 10 raised to power minus 11 meter cube per mole. There is no resistivity data not available. Superconductivity point for helium is nothing to show. So beside that, we can you can see prevalence properties. The last one property is, means to say in all the universe, in all the sources, how much helium is present. Universe, in universe, helium showing its presence percentage, 23% of this universe is made up of, you can see, helium. Numbers, next one is sun, 23, approximately 23.00% of helium is present in sun. Oceans, samudra, 7.2 into 10 raised to power minus 10% only and only. In human being, there is no presence of helium. Earth crust, very less amount, that is minus, sorry, 5.5 into 10 raised to power minus 7%. And at the end, meteorites, there is no presence of helium in meteorites. So this is all about the properties of helium. So many properties we have discussed. So I think it is valuable for those students, those one who want to know the helium in detail. So all in all, thanks for watching. Keep watching, stay with us, and in next video I will try to explain, I will try to put the properties of lithium. So bye bye, take care, keep watching.